How to see messages on Snapchat without opening it. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application here, and it will directly lead you here to your camera area here, as you can see. All you have to do is on the bottom part you'll see 5 different options there. Just tap on message option there, and as you can see, you have a one new chat there. Let's say you want to read the message that that person gave you, but you don't want them to know that you have actually read it. So all you have to do is here under your friend's chat here, I want you to swipe left to right. And if you do that, if you drag his or her profiles, you can see your message will be seen here. Now what you want to do next, while dragging, you don't let go to that, and just slowly read the message there. As you can see, I have read the message. Now if you go back here, the notification is still the notification that that person have is you haven't seen the message yet. And basically that is how you see messages on Snapchat without opening it. And if it doesn't work, make sure that you have actually updated your Snapchat application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.